Software project management. The topic is PERT technique, Monte Carlo simulation. PERT technique. Before any activity begins related to the work of a project, every project requires an advanced accurate time estimate. Without an accurate estimate, no project can be completed within the budget and the target completion date. Developing an estimate is a complex task. If the project is large and has many stakeholders, things can be more complex. Therefore, there have been many initiatives to come up with different techniques for estimation phase of the project in order to make the estimation more accurate. PERT, Program Evaluation and Review Technique, is one of the successful and proven methods among the many other techniques such as CPM, function point counting, top-down estimating, wave, etc. PERT was initially created by the US Navy in the late 1950s. The pilot project was for developing ballistic missiles, and there have been thousands of contractors involved. After PERT methodology was employed for this project, it actually ended 2 years ahead of its initial schedule. The PERT basics. At the core, PERT is all about management probabilities. Therefore, PERT involves in many simple statistical methods as well. Some people categorize and put PERT and CPM together, although CPM, critical path method, shares some characteristics with PERT. PERT has a different focus. Same as most of the other estimation techniques, PERT also breaks down the tasks into detailed activities. Then a Gantt chart will be prepared illustrating the interdependencies among the activities. Then a network of activities and their interdependencies are drawn in an illustrative manner. In this map, a node represents each event. The activities are represented as arrows and they are drawn from one event to another based on the sequence. Next, the earliest time T and the latest time TL are figured from each activity and identify the slack time for each activity. When it comes to deriving the estimates, the PERT model takes a statistical route to do that. The following is an example for PERT chart. The 3 chances. There are 3 estimation times involved in PERT: optimistic time estimate, most likely time estimate, and pessimistic time estimate. In PERT, these 3 estimate times are derived for each activity. This way, a range of time is given for each activity with the most probable value. Following are further details on each estimate. Top, this is the fastest time an activity can be completed. For this, the assumption is made that all necessary resources are available and all predecessor activities are completed as planned. Most of the times, project managers are asked only to submit the estimate. In that case, this is the estimate that goes to the upper management. This is the maximum time required to complete an activity. In this case, it is assumed that many things go wrong related to the activity. A lot of rework and resource unavailability are assumed when this estimation is derived. The PERT mathematics beta probability distribution is what works behind PERT. The expected completion time E is calculated as below. Now following the process, we follow with 2 values. For every activity in the critical path, E and B are calculated. Then the total of all E's are taken. This is the overall expected completion time for the project. E equal to top plus 4 into T plus T plus by 6. At the same time, the possible variance of the estimate is calculated as below. Now the corresponding V is added to each activity of the critical path. This is the variance of the entire project. This is done only for the activities in the critical path, as only the critical path activities can accelerate or delay the project duration. Then standard deviation of the project is calculated. This equals to the square root of the variance. Now the normal probability distribution is used for calculating the project completion time with the desired probability. Monte Carlo simulation. Having been named after the principality famous for its casinos, the term Monte Carlo analysis conjures images of an intricate strategy aimed at maximizing one's earnings in a casino game. Monte Carlo analysis refers to a technique in project management where management computes and calculates the total project cost and the project schedule many times. This is done using a set of input values that have been selected after careful deliberation of probability distribution or potential costs or potential durations. Importance of Monte Carlo analysis. The Monte Carlo analysis is important in project management as it allows a project manager to calculate a probable total cost of a project as well as to find a range or a potential date of completion for the project. Since a Monte Carlo analysis uses quantified data, this allows project managers to better communicate with senior management, especially when the latter is punishing for impractical project completion dates or unrealistic project costs. Also, this type of an analysis allows the project managers to quantify perils and ambiguities in project schedules. The different types of probability distribution curves. The Monte Carlo analysis shows the risk analysis involved in a project through a probability distribution that is a model of possible values. Some of the commonly used probability distributions or curves for Monte Carlo analysis includes the normal or bell curve, the log normal curve, the uniform curve, and the triangular curve. Thank you.